We'll have to check. Waiting. It says waiting for Arushi Chawla, but I can hear her breathing somewhere.
Yeah, because I am here.
I could hear your voice. Something that was happening.
Can you see me now?
Yeah, I can see.
I'm good, sir. How are you?
Okay, firstly, this is, I know on the show मैं जानता हूँ कि आपको मुझे सर बुलाना पड़ता है, but यार please.
It's difficult. I know you told.
I know it's hard. But मेरा इसका एक philosophy है यार, ये this forced calling of people sir.
No, this is not forced. This is not forced. Like, I genuinely respect you, and that's why I can't call you by your name only.
But मेरा logic पता है क्या है? My parents call me by that name. My friends call me by that name. The whole world calls me by that name. So what's wrong if I would like you to call me by that name, because when you call me sir, I feel like I'm some sort of a college professor that nobody likes.
No way.
मेरे को अच्छा लगता है, मेरे को बुरा नहीं लगता है. I prefer it to being called sir.
Okay, if you prefer it, then okay.
That's good. Excellent. तो लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है बताओ?
लाइफ में अभी तो चिल चल रहा है, काफी ज्यादा, और आगे क्या करना है उसके बारे में प्लानिंग चल रही है थोड़ी बहुत, बट मेजरली चिल.
ओके, बहुत सारे लोग ये जानना चाहते हैं कि केविन के साथ स्टोरी क्या है?
केविन के साथ स्टोरी बहुत सिंपल है. ही इज अ वेरी नाइस ह्यूमन.
You should just leave it there. Don't say anything else. कहानी बहुत सिंपल है.
कहानी बहुत सिंपल है.
Torture people.
बहुत सही बंदा है. तो मतलब आई थिंक जितना हमको पसंद है उतना लोगों को भी पसंद आ रहा है, and they can see for themselves.
Actually, you know what? With all of you, I think people have followed the story till where we've got to now. हम रूपनगर पहुंच चुके हैं, and you guys have gotten together, but a lot of people don't really know. और जब मैं भी आपसे बात करता हूँ ना, तो मैं भी बोलता हूँ कि यार लीडर्स जो हैं, हमें भी पता नहीं होता है कि टेंट्स के अंदर क्या चल रहा है, रोडीज के बीच में क्या चल रहा है, क्योंकि हमारी और आपके बीच में उतने मीटिंग टाइम नहीं होता है, बातचीत नहीं होती. जब टास्क कम कर रहे होते हैं तो उस टाइम पे हम मिलते हैं और उस टाइम पे बोलते हैं. ठीक है. What I actually ask from you is, जब आप ऑडिशन के लिए आए थे, तो मैं जानता हूँ कि हर किसी को रोडी बनना है और वो ऑडिशन के लिए आते हैं, क्योंकि ये शो बहुत पॉपुलर बन चुका है और इस शो से बहुत सारे लोगों को बहुत कुछ मिल भी चुका है. सो पीपल वांट टू बी पार्ट ऑफ द शो. तो आपकी कुछ ना कुछ एक्सपेक्टेशंस होते हैं शो से. ठीक है. फिर आप पहुंचते हो कलिंग ग्राउंड में, कलिंग ग्राउंड को आप क्लियर करते हो, फिर आप पहुंचते हैं पहले लोकेशन पे ऋषिकेश. वहां पे क्या हुआ? Like when you meet the other roadies and you start to live with them in the same space, तो वहां पे सबसे पहले क्या हुआ था? Who did you bond with? Who did you feel like यार ये तो कभी मेरा दोस्त बन नहीं सकता या बन नहीं सकती? What happened over there?
So मेरे साथ चीज बहुत सिंपल है. When हम जब घुसे ही थे, तो the first tent was our tent. It was a coincidence between me, Kevin, Michael and Hamid. We all entered the same tent and immediately we bonded. तो हमें बाकी टेंट में घुस के बातचीत करने का इतना मन ही नहीं किया. हम आपस में इतने एक्साइटेड थे, लेकिन जब हम बाकी लोगों से मिले तो there were people who were trying too hard to be good, but वो हो नहीं पा रहा था. तो somewhere I felt कि ठीक है, धीरे धीरे जितने लोगों से मेरा बॉन्ड बनता है, great, because I don't want to like tag along and push for being friends ऐसे. But it was a nice experience. There were a lot of different people. There was Akshita. She is such a beautiful person, but जैसा भी शो में हुआ उसके साथ, she was represented very wrongly. Sapna was very nice. So it was a nice collection of different personalities there who were doing very well for themselves, and it was nice to meet them all.
तो मैं जानना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि अभी तो काफी कुछ शो में खत्म हो चुका है, मगर अभी मैं पूछ सकता हूँ. मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि इतने सारे लोगों की बात आपसे बनती क्यों नहीं है? And I'll give you my Hindi is terrible, huh? Forgive me.
Okay.
What may have happened, जैसे कि आपने कहा ना कि आप पहले दिन एक ही टेंट में घुस गए थे और फिर वो आपका टेंट बन गया था. कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं हुआ कि दूसरे लोगों को लगा कि आप जो चार हो, you became a little stand aloof, कि यार हम हमारी ग्रुप बन गई है, अब किसी और की जरूरत नहीं है. Do you think other people may have taken that the wrong way and felt like, you know, we are
No,
not
what
welcome
happened
here,
was
we will-
that wasn't the reason. The reason was the first vote out में everybody was pitching Saqib's name. So हम चारों का ऐसा stand था, why to send one person out just because he was vocal about his own opinion, like he's standing for himself, and just because आपको एक majority form करनी है, वो herd mentality रखनी है, इसलिए आप उसको vote out कर रहे हो. तो they wanted कि ऐसे majority में पूरा competition run हो, and we didn't like that. We were like जो deserving है वो prove करे और यहाँ रहे. We will not follow what you guys are
But
wanting us to
roadies
follow.
doesn't always. That's a great philosophy to have. And जो लोग roadies देखते हैं वो भी सोचते हैं कि यार डिजर्विंग बंदे या डिजर्विंग बंदी को आगे जाना चाहिए, जो टास्क में परफॉर्म करते हैं, जो गेम अच्छी तरह से खेलते हैं, जो वो एक रिस्पेक्ट का लेवल दिखाते हैं, उनको ही आगे जाना चाहिए. But the game doesn't always work like that. It's like real life. You know, sometimes you have ups and sometimes you have downs, and it's not.
But I think the common point,
deserving that goes
the
forward.
common point that we four had was कि we will not fake things. Like if we're friends with you, we're friends with you. Like what happened with Sapna or what happened with Akshita, there were a lot of fake things happening which we didn't like. So probably that was the major reason we four stuck together and were a little stand apart kind of.
तो जिस चीज को आप फेक कह रहे हो, सबसे पहले मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि कौन फेक है और कौन नहीं है. I'll always play devil's advocate with you, so I'll show you.
Okay, I'm afraid, yeah.
तो मैं कह रहा हूँ कि जिन लोगों को आप फेक कह रहे हो और जिन चीजों को आप फेक कह रहे हो, कहीं वो उनका गेम तो नहीं है कि भैया मैं ऐसे कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि सबको सर्वाइव तो करना है ना. Nobody wants to be upfront and honest and get eliminated in the first vote out. जो साकिब के साथ unfortunately हुआ. He was outspoken. He was जो कहते हैं कि चौड़ में बोलता हूँ. लोग कहते हैं कि रोडीज में चौड़ में बोलना चाहिए. भाई मैं बोलता हूँ कि क्यों बोलना है? अगर आपको सर्वाइव करना है तो आप चौड़ में क्यों बोल रहे हो? So is that, do you think it's part of the game to?
It is a part. It was a part of their game, but then everybody has their own way of playing the game, and we didn't respect that kind of gameplay. Like if you think if you're strong enough, you will not fake things. You'll be straight up to their face that okay, fine, I don't like you, I don't like your, like what happened with Kevin and Zabi. Like he said it out front. That is what we liked, to be
You know what I
upfront.
liked? What I liked about Zabi is that Zabi finally found his voice because he's a really genuinely a nice person. आप सबने उनके साथ interact किया है और आप जानते हैं कि दिल का वो बहुत अच्छा इंसान है. But when it came to his friends कि अभिमन्यु या विपिन के खिलाफ कुछ करोगे, then I will take. You know, it was great to see that side of Zabi saying that you come after my friends and I will become a bad person, or I'll become a tiger. And I will defend them. That was great to see about Zabi at that point, because I think nobody has a bad thing to say about him. He's such a genuinely nice person.
True, very true. He's a very nice person. Like,
but Kevin also, I have to say, जब मैं उसके साथ बात करता हूँ तो मैं उसकी भी थोड़ा खींचूंगा, उसका भी थोड़ा खींचूंगा. He has a way of chowing people. It's partly to do कि उसको हिंदी मेरे जैसे उतनी अच्छी आती नहीं है. In fact, his Hindi is worse than mine. And the other thing is he has this sort of fighter, sort of, you know.
Yeah, that MMA thing.
And then his face is also, he looks at people like. मुंह में थप्पड़ मारूंगा तेरे, मुंह में थप्पड़ मारूंगा.
Hilarious.
Yeah, so I think Kevin just has that personality where if you're not his friend, you've got no option but to hate him. Because he just kind of chavis you so much.
Real gangster.
I like that about him. He's a bad boy. So
Not really a bad boy, but yeah.
The other thing that I want to ask you is कि अभी जो जिन लोगों के साथ आपकी बात बनती नहीं है ना, is the plan going to be to try and win them over, to try and make for friends? क्योंकि अगर आप अभी numbers की बात देखोगे ना, तो आपका जो team है, what you call the Pune gang and the Delhi gang. I think these are the two gangs, right? Pune and Delhi. The Pune gang team is the numbers are slightly smaller.
Yeah.
Very small. The math is very simple. Majority in a vote, जितने वोट ज्यादा वोट एक तरफ है तो वो साइड जीत जाती है, जिसके कम वोट हैं वो
रह
So
जाते हैं.
is there a plan, or we'll just have to see how things go?
Like हमने पिछले एपिसोड में भी देखा है, there are people who have formed alliance with us and they are agreeing to how we are playing the game. So further in the game, we will try to get as many people on our side as possible. Baki, let's see.
Okay, fingers crossed. And whose idea was the name Team Loyalty again? Was it yours or Michael's or
I think it was Kevin's.
Kevin?
I think it was Kevin's, yeah. Yes.
Wow!
Can't imagine it, yeah. That much of creativity coming out of that boy.
Yeah, yeah. I could think of many different words to describe Kevin, but I don't know whether creative would be one of them. Yeah. Anyway, Baki
How are you, sir?
I'm good. It's great to be back home. It's great to be back with my daughter and my wife at home and sipping my cup of tea with my daughter's best
Same.
friend. This is Bumba.
Ah, Bumba.
Bumba.
Cute.
Yeah, Bumba's her best friend right now. Best friends change every day.
And
Yeah,
I'm
very
so.
good.
I am
Sorry,
at my
where
place.
are you based in
Delhi.
Where are you based in Delhi?
Right now in Delhi.
All of you were at Hamid's
Delhi
birthday
audition.
years ago.
Yeah, yes, Hamid's birthday. It was yesterday.
How sideways was Hamid on that day?
A little limpy. And
No, sideways as in how?
oh, like that. He was full tight, sir. He was missing you. He was missing the journey. Full set. And there were other people. There was Nisha, Bhavesh, Taran. It was a great time, but we missed you and Team Loyal, the other members.
It's okay. Once the pandemic finishes, we'll get together again.
Yes. And we are definitely waiting for the Supersonic to happen. Just reminding you that.
So am I. I just hope it happens because there's so much happening with the pandemic right now. We still don't have, the government still hasn't given any clear indication कि जो live events हैं, जो बड़े gatherings हैं, वो हो सकते हैं कि नहीं हो सकते हैं. अगर वो हो सकते हैं तो उन पे क्या restrictions लगाई जाएंगी. So we're still not sure about all of those things. Look at me trying to explain things in Hindi about Supersonic.
And I personally was waiting for today's EP review, and you killed it again. Like, you're so on point with everything.
Actually, मैं आज का तो review तो मैंने लिख दिया है, मगर मैं कल एक counterpoint भी लिखने वाला हूँ, which is the other side of the coin.
Okay.
So there are a few things
Okay.
क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोगों के बहुत सारे opinions होते हैं, मगर मेरे भी इस मामले में दो opinions हैं. एक तो जो मैंने आज लिखा है, और एक counterpoint भी है जो मैं कल लिखूंगा, and I'll put that forward as well to sort of show different sides. But how cold was that? You know that I have to say one thing.
Yeah.
I have to
So
say one thing.
windy.
You see yourself in the video, right? And you're like,
Yeah.
you're looking upwards, and it looks like you're looking upwards in pain. And I'm like, no, she's not in pain. She's just cold.
It's really very cold. I was always like this.
That's why वो ऐसे देख रही है ऊपर की तरफ. आंसू नहीं आ रहे. उसको ठंड लग रही है बेचारे को.
True. It's so windy and so cold.
It was a crazy vote out. I've never been that cold. It was this night, and एक शिलोंग में एक vote out हुआ था जहाँ पे बहुत लगी थी हमारी. But यहाँ पे, you know, you could feel that cold wind, and I was like, why is the wind so cold? And then when the hailstorm happened, with the hailstones, it was like, oh, so this is why it was so cold, because it was literally like the wind was blowing over ice and coming and hitting us. It was freezing. But